Welcome to Beidat IT training. In this comprehensive module, we'll guide you through the entire process of web hosting with AWS, from creating an account to deploying your website. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create a free AWS account. Visit the AWS free tier page and click on Create a Free Account. Enter your email address, password, and AWS account name. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to you. Next, fill in your personal details and agree to the terms. Enter your credit card details for identity verification, but don't worry, you won't be charged for services within the free tier limits. Provide your phone number for verification, choose the basic, free support plan, and complete the setup. Now, you can sign in to the AWS Management Console. Next, we'll create an S3 bucket to store your website files. Sign in to the AWS Management Console and navigate to S3 from the Services menu. Click on a Create Bucket, enter a unique bucket name, choose the AWS region closest to you, and click Create Bucket. Once your bucket is created, it's time to upload your website files to S3. Open your bucket, click on Upload, add your website files, HTML, CSS, JS, etc., and click Upload to start the process. Now, we need to configure the bucket for static website hosting. Go to the Properties tab in your bucket, scroll down to Static Website Hosting, click Edit, select to enable, enter the index document e.g., index.html, and click Save Changes. To make your website accessible, we'll set bucket permissions. Next, we'll set up CloudFront to distribute your content globally. Navigate to CloudFront from the Services menu, click on Create Distribution, choose a web as the delivery method, enter your S3 bucket URL in the origin settings, e.g., your _bucket_ name to S3 AmazonaWS.com, and click Create Distribution. Optionally, you can update DNS settings to use a custom domain. Get your CloudFront distribution domain name, register a custom domain through AWS Route 53 or another registrar, and create a name record pointing to your CloudFront distribution domain name. Finally, you'll access your website. Visit your CloudFront URL or your custom domain if you set one up. Your website should now be live and accessible. By the end of this module, you'll have a fully functional website hosted on AWS, ready to be accessed by users worldwide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Let's get started with web hosting on AWS.